Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to start our new topic. Before that I want to say something. Actually last day we have not completed all questions. Today I will discuss with you some questions from this chapter. Okay. Before that I want to complete this topic. We have only last one topic which we will complete today. Okay. And in this we have completed this all topics from the same chapter. Correct. Yesterday we have discussed about group bar diagram and pie diagram. These two topics we have completed yesterday. And last one we have discussed about some questions which we have completed now. Some questions are related to MCQs and 1 mark question. This we have discussed yesterday. Today we have discussed next question answer, but before that we have to complete this one last topic. Okay. And watch your all subject videos daily. Because of this one only we have the way for the study. And without your study, you cannot get good marks. You remember this thing. Okay. Now we all are facing this corona challenge. Okay. And in our society or near to our society or in our apartment or near to our apartment, various cases are related to corona disease. Okay. So please be aware, be safe at your home, but do your study hard. Without study, you cannot get good marks. We have only this one option for the study, this online and this YouTube channel related option we have at present, and we all are doing same thing only. Not only we, whole country is using same type of, and whole world also using same type of instruments, and they are doing study their own with the help of their teachers. So you are not unique. You are not doing first time study, this type of study. Okay. You are not only one single person here. All students are from the different schools, different countries, and different societies. All are using same type of equipments, same type of net teaching and study material they are getting, and they are doing their study. And at present we have nothing any other option for this. So please utilize it 100% and get good marks. And don't think in the last we will promote like this year some in I can see some classes like 11th and 9th and all other standard from the GSEB. This all have promoted, mass promoted has done. So next time also create same situation, maybe no, or maybe yes, because we have not correct answer for this. At present condition is very critical from our Surat city also. Way many cases are per day, many cases. Many peoples are facing this corona disease. Okay. I hope you all will save. But we have this moral duty. We have this our work. We have to complete, not complete, accomplish our work very well. Okay, so please do study and watch each and every video and follow all type of rules and regulations which given by your subject teachers, by our group. Whatever message they are sending, you follow this all instructions. Okay. And daily attendance related problem also arising. All students are not attending. 4 students, 5 students, sometimes 7, 10 students also. So send your attendance related message daily from 7 to 7:30. It's your time. Not before that, not after that. Before 5-10 minutes, it's okay. But not after 7:30. You have to send your attendance message 7 to 7:30 only. Not after 7:30. 7:31 also I will not consider. Okay. For 11th B. Okay, you have to send your message from 7 to 7:30 and send message daily. Clear? And all students, all 11th students, you complete your notebook. When I will complete this topic today, I will give assignment and I will check your notebook. you have a question, how, ma'am, you will check our question answers? So whenever I will give assignment to you after this chapter, after today only, because today we will complete our chapter, fully chapter, last topic is remaining, and today I will complete it. So I will check your notebook on Wednesday. When? Wednesday I will check your notebook. How it can be possible? Whatever assignment I will give or I had given from first to last, I want each and every answer in good handwriting in your economics notebook. And you have to convert this notebook's answer in the PDF file and send to my mail ID, which I will send in our group. Okay. On that mail ID, you have to send your PDF file. I will give time also. In that time only, I want your PDF file. So if your answers are remaining, you have to complete this all and complete your notebook and assignment. Clear? Then after I will conduct your surprise test also. So be ready for that test. Whenever I will conduct your surprise test, I hope you all will get good marks. So please do hard work and watch all type of videos which sent by your Samiti IT in charge channel. Okay, from that you have to watch your all videos, follow all rules and instructions which sent by your subject teachers and class teacher in a group. Okay, please you do sincerely study. Okay, because at present we all are facing much problems. Your family also facing problems. Instead of that, all teachers are teaching you. Instead of that, your parents are supporting you. So please don't misuse that. Follow all rules, regulations, and do your hard study. Okay, friends. Now come to our points, which I'm going to discuss with you. Today our topic is importance of economics. Why economics is important? Economics is important because of we have some reasons. Practically, you think one time. I said when I started first day this lecture, that time I said that economics is not theoretical subject. Okay, it is practical subject. But how it is practical? You think it when daily you are explaining this and that topic. But practically you connect with your life, with our economic environment. You can see everything is practical. At present, you are watching my lecture, and at present, you are doing study in the Samiti. How it can be possible? Because of you have admitted, you have paid your fee. Only for that reason, we both are interconnecting with each other. So it is also what? Economic activity, correct? And it is also a part of our study. It is also a part of our economics. So each and every work from the early morning to till at late night also, or for the next day, we all are using all type of equipment which are related to economics. So we all are living in the practical economic life. So this subject is not theoretical, practical. If you will think, if you will image some pictures, if you will create some images in your mind related to that, then it will be practical. Okay. Otherwise, only mugging and mugging, then only it will be theoretical subject. And you can never learn for the long time period if you are mugging only. So no need to mugging any answer or any topic. Just you understand and you revise again and again. You will get very well that answer. You get very well that topic also. Okay. Now our topic is importance of economics. How economics is important? Because of in our human life we have so many needs, and this all needs only can satisfy with the help of the economy. Okay, goods. Owing to increasing use of scarcity. Scarcity, that means what? Scare of resources. All type of resources, money, wealth, these are scarce. Okay, thus all activities of human being are increasingly become economic activities. Okay, I had given an example. I'm teaching you because of it is my economic activity. You are doing a study because of it is your economic activity. You have paid fee for that only. Okay, and this all activities which are related to our needs or our requirements, these all are related to economics, because for that we are expanding our scarce resources, correct? Now we have much importance of the economic subject. We have to understand its importance in our behavior, in our society, for our state, for our country, and for the world. So there's all type of activities which are going on by us. This mostly are related to economics. So it has theoretical, its theories, its principles, this all are much important for our life. Whatever decision we are taking, these theories and this type of principles are providing guidelines for all us. Okay, so it is important. Now come to first point, understanding everyday behavior. Everyday behavior, 8%, early in the morning. If you want to take tea or coffee or any type of toothbrush, toothpaste, these all things, how you can get? Because of scarce resources. Okay, so there's all type of related routine tasks we can complete, we can get only with the help of the economics. And this type of everyday behavior of human beings, society, state, while managing routine tasks. And with the help of economics, we can easily understand everyday behavior of the following ways. First one, understanding international events. Whatever events are going on. If you have listened, these countries like USA, Russia, China, these countries are organizing commercial and trade related events. Our Gujarat also, Gujarat Summit, if you have listened, Gujarat Summit has organized by our Narendra Modi, and this our Pradhan Mantri, our PM has organized also this type of event. So we can understand, if we are economic strength, we can understand what type of event has organized by the Russia, USA, China, or Britain, or India, or any state. We can easily understand and how, what its impact. Okay, rise of the price. So for an example, this all type of European countries will increase their all type of prices of their export, which we are importing. So in the international market, their commodities prices will be increased, correct? So to understand the impact of rise in the price of the crude oil in international market on their own cost of living. Okay, from the Arabian countries, okay, from there's Iran, Iraq, we are importing crude oil, okay, and this crude oil price is increasing now at present. Day by day it is increasing. So we can understand by which reason this price is increasing. Okay, at present technology is most important for all us. Defense related all equipments are more must for all us, because of we want to save our life. Our government also want there's all type of defense equipments. So government will import first there's all type of equipment from maybe Russia, from the Britain, or from America for the pre-preparation for the war, maybe with China or with other countries. So this type of equipment, whenever we are importing this type of crude oil, any other commodity which are importing from the other countries, and some type of commodity which we are exporting to the other country, what type of goods and services we are exporting, what type of goods and services we are importing, and what is its cost, and why these commodities prices are increasing in our domestic market. We all can get this all type of knowledge if we will study about economics. So economics is important. Okay, next one is understanding historical events. Historical events, do you know, in our India British Raj from the 1857 to 1947, and before that also. Okay, in our India British Raj, and the British government have established their East India Company in our India, and they started their British Raj here. So what type of effect has occurred on our Indian economy? At present also we all are facing much problems because of that East India Company, which has established in the past, but now also we are affecting for that. Okay, so there's all type of knowledge we can understand. There's all type of historical events which are related to economics. With the help of economics only we can understand this better reasons behind wars and behind the entry of East India Company because of the British Raj, and with the different war, the countries, what type of wars has done with our India. So that's all we can get with the help of economics. So it's important. Now next point is economic importance. Now we have done only first understanding everyday behavior. Whenever you are going to write any type of importance or this, you have to draw a chart. In the absence of chart, I will not consider your answer. What type of chart you can draw? You have to draw like this, importance of economics. For that, first of all, you have to write importance of economics here. Then after this main point, main topic, you have to divide into 4 points. Okay, these 4 points you have to, sorry, 2 points only. These 2 points are related to our these points. First one is what? First one is understanding everyday behavior. This one main heading, and second one heading is what? Second one heading is related to understand the this type of first topic we have to write from the first point. That point is understand everyday behavior. Second one is economic importance. These are main 2 headings. So A and B you have to write there. Okay. Then after you have to write sub points. First one sub point will be understanding international events. Second one sub point of the understanding everyday behavior, historical event. Okay. Then after B, you have to write here B. It is B. It is A. Okay. These are points. First one A is what? First one A is related to understanding everyday behavior. Second one point B is related to economic importance. Correct? Then after you have to write these 2 sub points in the first, and next points 3 points in the economic importance. Okay? So now we are going to discuss economic importance. Decision making by individual. First point, economic importance. Decision making by individual. Whenever, for an example, as a teacher, I want to satisfy my requirements, maybe chalk, duster, laptop, or computer, or cell phone, whatever. As a teacher, as a household, or as a consumer, if I want to purchase any type of commodity, for an example, if I'm going to purchase a laptop, what I will do? Directly I will pay 50,000 rupees to the shopkeeper, or any one laptop I will carry from there and I will come to my home? No, obviously no. Because of each and every customer, consumer, or each and every person have scare of resources, scare money, and various wants, unlimited wants you can say. So that person will select first that type of want which has most important for their life or for that person. Whatever want selected by that person, then after that person will think it, for this commodity how much I have to pay. Okay, for example, that shopkeeper said, when this laptop price is 25,000 rupees, I will directly not pay 25,000 rupees. I will check various type of the laptop, Sony, Lenovo, and various type of laptop I will check. Then after any one laptop I will select which is suitable for price for me also, and which will this all functions also suitable for me. And for that laptop, if I'm getting maximum satisfaction, then I will purchase that laptop. Correct? Maybe that price is 25, 24, 28 or 20,000 or 15,000, whatever price. But I want to get maximum satisfaction by that. So this satisfaction I can get with the help of the economics. So particular person also, for the individual person also, whatever decision they are going to take, their decision also affecting by economics, and they can get maximum satisfaction with the help of economics. They can manage their resources and their wants, and they can get maximum satisfaction. Correct? Next one is understanding government policies. What type of policy which has decided by the government? Maybe central government, state government, or their local government. For an example, in our Surat city, we have Surat Municipal Corporation, SMC. So whatever decision will take by the SMC, this also will affect to all us. Any type of decision which will take by our Gujarat government, that also will affect to all us. Whatever decision will take by our Prime Minister and their ministry, that means central government, that also will affect to all us. So whatever policies will decide by the state, central, or local government, that will be affect, like taxes will increase by them, it will be affect to us. Various type of taxes will be implemented by the government to the general person, then it will affect. Okay, any type of prices will be reduced by the government, under the government only, then it will affect. Not only this, all type of decision which will be taken by the commercial bank, because of due to the RBI rules and regulations, there's also will be affect to all us. So what type of policy has started by the government and how it will be affect to the general person or peoples? It is also can be understand by the lay person with the help of the economics. So it is important. Okay. Next one is professional decision making. Professional decision making, that means what? As a producer, as a labor, as a consumer, we all are playing various type of role in our life, correct? So there's all type of principles, scientific principles and theories will help to all us. These provide guidelines, and with the help of this all, we can take any type of good and correct decision related to economics, like demand and supply, okay, and all type of theories, economic theories also will be help to the general person for getting maximum benefit. Okay, these certain theories are related to our day by day decision, day to day decisions, like price determination, wage determination. Wage, that means what? Whenever any labor will do any work, and for that, if any labor will get any amount, that is the wages you can say. Employment of various factors of production, okay, and so on. These all are regulated by economics. How they can get maximum satisfaction, how they can get this all type of remunerations is only decided by the various tools of the economics. Okay, various principles and theories by the economics. So any type of professional decision also can be made with the help of the economics. So it is important. All type of human beings are classified into three parts. These three parts are, first one is consumer, producer, and labor. Okay, and we all are included in this three, mostly in this three. Maybe we are consumer, producer, or labor. Labor, that means all not these people who are carrying any type of heavy commodity and transferring from one place to another place, like in construction and all other profession. No, we all are labor. I'm also labor. I'm intellectual labor because of I'm doing my work by my mind. Okay, so I'm intellectual labor. If any type of doctor, that also labor, but intellectual labor in economics. Okay, so this all also can be taken decision with the help of economics. So economics is the provide rational decision to them for the gain maximum benefit and minimize cost. It is no, it is our economics importance. Okay, so you have to draw a chart for this answer. This is a question we have in our syllabus. For this question you have to draw a chart and explain this answer. Okay, now we are going to discuss some other question answer. Yesterday I have started, but remaining we have completed. State the definition of economics which is given by Robinson. This all MCQs already I have completed. Next one is, which is the focus point of the Samuelson's definition of the economics. For that I had started answer, and for that answer is that page number you can open in your textbook. The page number is 3. On the third page, this answer about choice, allocation of scarce resources, and evolution the cost. These are 3. Okay, there's 3 points you have to write in that. Next one question is related to which are the 3 ways of representing economic information. We have these 3 ways to present an economic information. These 3 ways are, first one is by descriptive manner, by data table, and by the way of graph. There's all 3 points here. Descriptive manner, by the way of data table, by the way of graph. There's 3 points we have to write here. Then after, our next question is, on which axis are the independent and dependent variables usually represent? So for the independent variable, we have to write y-axis. Okay. For dependent variable, I am correct? No. For the independent variable, we have to write x-axis. Which axis? X-axis. And for the dependent variable, we have to write y-axis. Okay. So what's our answer? On the OX-axis. Which axis? OX-axis, independent variables usually represent, and on the OY-axis, dependent variable usually represent. What do you mean by the pie diagram? For this question, you have to write this answer from the last 8 page, number 8 pages, and from this page you have to write this answer. A pie chart is a circular statistical graph which is divided into sectors to illustrate the numerical proportion of data. The numerical data is proportionately converted into degree in a circle, and sectors are formed considering those degrees over this answer. Okay, now our time is over, and next all other answers you can write very well. It's your assignment only. You have to complete all 2 marks, 3 marks, and 5 mark questions in your notebook. Okay, Wednesday I will check your all answers. You have to send your answers in PDF file. Okay, on Wednesday. Thank you, friends. We'll meet again in the next period.